Okay, children. I'm starting with the question number 1. Should I start? Yes, students.
Ma'am.
Okay, Yashvika, let us start. Okay. In which three continents the Roman Empire was stretched? But I am not hearing your voice. Check it
The
with the
three
Yashvika.
continents.
Haan,
The three continents were Europe, Asia, and Africa.
very good. Yes, but all of you got the answer? Yes, good, Yashvika. Okay, my next question is, in which three groups the sources of Roman history could be divided? Means, what are the different sources of history for this period?
Ma'am, there are three
But
sources.
now you stop.
The first
Anna,
is
any other one? Yes, any other children? Any other child? Yes, Neil, you are answering?
Ma'am, texts, documents, and materials.
Yes, absolutely right. Material remains, documents, and
And
text.
texts.
But keep your cameras on. I'll just see your faces also because we haven't met in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
class, है ना? So, okay, children. The next question is, what separates the empire of Rome and Iran from each other? Any other student? I think 14 and 15 students were there in the beginning. I have seen. In the last also, I'll take the pic of your attendance. And in beginning also, those who are present at both the times, I'll mark the attendance for those. Okay? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, they both separated by a narrow strip of land which is covered by the Euphrates.
Absolutely right. Mediterranean. Okay. A narrow strip of land which ran along the river Euphrates separates both the empires, that is your Rome and Iran.
And Iran.
Okay, is it clear, children? But others, those who are not answering, okay, listen carefully the question as well as the answer so that you can learn these things. Okay, then the next question is, what formed the boundaries of the Roman Empire to the north as well as south?
Ma'am, to the north, the boundaries are by the rivers Rhine and Danube, and to the south, the boundaries are fronted by the Sahara Desert.
Absolutely right. Okay, children, in the northern side, there were two rivers. There are two rivers, Rhine and Danube, and another side it was the Sahara Desert. Okay, long stretch of the Sahara Desert is there. The next question is, which sea was known as heart of the Rome's empire and up to where did it stretch?
Ma'am, Mediterranean Sea.
Yes. Yes, Neil and Yashvika. Both are answering. What about others? Yes. And it is stretched from Spain in north up to the Syria in the east. Okay, absolutely right. It is Mediterranean Sea and it is stretched from Spain in north and up to Syria in the east. Okay, children. Then why was Roman ruler Augustus considered as the leading citizen?
Ma'am,
Ye-
in order
एक
to
minute.
respect,
Wait a minute. Yes, anyone other than these two children? Others also come up, children. Even if you are answering wrong, no problem for that. Okay? But start answering, children. Yes, Sanjana. Sanjana, are you answering? चलिए Ashwika, you answer then.
ma'am, in order to respect the Senate, he
Yes,
considered himself as the leading citizen and not the absolute ruler.
do that. Okay. To give the due respect to these senates, okay, he considered himself as a leading citizen, the part of them only, okay, and not as a absolute ruler. Absolutely right. Then state two features of the Roman army. Yes, other children, please come up with your answers. But a very long back, I told you that you are going to have revision from this lesson, है ना? So you must prepare these things. It will be helpful for you later on. And some of the answers are like this. These short answers will help to answer you the long questions also. Okay, beta, just a minute. Someone is waiting in the lobby. Let me join her. Okay, beta, other than Neil and Yashvika, nobody is answering. Chaliye, Yashvika, you answer. But there is no use of taking such tests. Only two or three children answer, है ना? ठीक है? Everyone must give the answer. Yes, Yashvika.
Ma'am, the first feature was that it was not a conscripted army; it was a based
Very
army.
good.
And second feature is it was the largest single organized body in the Roman Empire.
Okay, and one more is that soldiers were put in a minimum of 25 years of
5 years.
service. ठीक
Okay.
है? Any 2 points you can tell, no problem for that. Okay, but I have added the one more. Okay, which were the three main players in the political history of Rome?
Ma'am, emperors, aristocracy, and army.
Absolutely right. Emperor, king हो गया आपका, then aristocracy and the
And then
army.
army.
Absolutely right. Then what is meant by the near east of Rome?
Ma'am, it was the part of the east of the Mediterranean.
Yes, absolutely right. Very good. Yes. And what areas does it include?
I think Syria and
Syria, Palestine, and Arabia. Okay, these were the areas included in it. Okay, beta?
yes.
Okay, chalo. Okay, what is meant by a city in the Roman sense? Beta.
Ma'am, a city.
Yes, Arav Sharma. Can you answer? I'll see the pic who all are present. Yes, बेटा बताइए. Anyone else? Ishpreet, Kanishka, Mehak, Mansi, Manvi. Sanjana, so many other names, children. Why you not everyone is answering, children? Very simple questions I am asking. Hmm? Chaliye, Yashvika, you answer then. Every time I have to ask. I first stop her from answering, then I have to ask her only. Chaliye beta.
Ma'am, the feature of the city was that the city had three main councils, which was first magistrate and a city council and a territory of collection of villages.
Very good. Okay. The city had its own magistrate, city council, and the territory, including many villages. The right answer. Hmm? Which empire's army was a conscripted army, and what was its meaning? But half of the
Ma'am,
answer was given at the time when Yashvika answered for the Roman army. है ना? So at least you can guess now.
ma'am,
Children,
can
very
I?
disappointing. Mansi Singh left the meeting. Why? अटेंडेंस नहीं मार्क करूंगी मैं ऐसे बच्चों की.
Ma'am,
बेटा
Persian
आई
army.
थिंक हाँ बेटा आई थिंक देर इज नो यूज ऑफ टेकिंग सच टेस्ट है ना when only one or two children are answering. I think when I took the pic there were 15 students at the time and two more have joined later on. Okay, if only two children are answering, so what's the use? And I know ki even if I don't take the test, they will learn the things very well. Those who are answering like this. Okay? This test is meant at least you will go through the lessons nicely and answer some of the questions while the test is going on. And children, so many times I asked if you are not able to attend anything, you are not able to get anything, ठीक है? तो you are most welcome to ask. कभी कभी मैं साथ साथ आपसे पूछती भी हूँ आपको समझ आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है ना? Now why you are not answering? Next day also when I start the class, many times I ask, is there any problem in the part already covered? At that time you don't pay your attention and don't ask anything. Yes, Sarah, any problem? Chali. Okay, let us go the way it's going on. And the next question is, what is meant by civil war?
Ma'am, civil war refers to armed struggle for means when the people of the country. Ma'am, civil war means
Can
there is
I?
internal strife within the groups of a same country.
Okay, very good. Same people of the same country means you can say the war inside the country itself. No one is attacking them outside or they do not have to fight with the other kingdom or the other country. Okay, the people of the country among themselves they are fighting. Okay, that is known as the civil war. Good. Okay. For what the age of Roman Emperor Augustus is known and why?
Ma'am, he is known for the age of peace
You're absolutely right.
because in his time the country was free of civil wars and internal strife and
Okay. Then the next question is why were public baths opposed in Iran?
ma'am, can I?
Abhi beta, let me see if any other person is going to answer. Then you have to answer. You have it. Okay. Yes, beta. Anyone else? चलिए, यशविका, you only then answer it.
Ma'am, in Iran, the water was a scared
I'm
thing.
getting service.
They used to, and that's why they cannot use that water for the public bathroom.
Absolutely right. That the Iranian considered water as a sacred element, right? And if they are thinking if it is used for the public bathing, okay, then the water will become impure. Okay, that is why the clergy has opposed it. Okay, then which two languages were used in the administration of the Roman Empire?
Greek,
Greek and Latin.
Latin.
Okay, in the 3rd century, rulers of which dynasty of Iran and Germanic tribes? Okay, getting the question? In the 3rd century, rulers of which dynasty of Iran and which Germanic tribes invaded the Roman Empire?
Ma'am, in the Iran, the rulers were Sasanians,
Absolutely
and
right. Very good.
the Germanic tribes.
Franks and Goths. Okay. ठीक है, Sasanian dynasty of the Iran and Franks and Goths, ठीक है, of the Germanic tribe. Okay. Yes, children. Should I go for some of the multiple choice questions? ठीक है.
Yeah.
I think then others may answer. ठीक है. I'll give you the options, children. Listen carefully, then I'll move further. Roman Empire was stretched over Europe, West Asia, and the larger part of North Africa, and all of these.
All of these.
Beta, keep your cameras on so that I can make out who is answering. Okay? And I can see your faces that will be familiar with you also, right? With all the children. Okay, much of the economy of the Roman Empire was run on option one, manual labor, slave labor, senate's orders, and king's advice.
Slave labor.
Yes, slave labor is the correct answer. But at least अभी यशविका and Neil, है ना? We just stop for some time. At least they answer these answers. They can even guess, है ना? Options में तो आप बेटा guess करके भी answer दे सकते हो. Let us see whether your guess is correct, or if you know, तो it's very good. In which of these groups the sources of Roman history could be divided? Text, documents, material remains, and all of these.
All of these. All of these.
Who is answering? Manvi, where is your camera? Camera on नहीं किया Manvi? Okay, answer is correct. And the same question we have asked already also. Good. And Roman Empire was seized by. I'm giving the options now. Yes, Manvi. Okay, good. Sasanians, Arabians, Mesopotamians, and Egyptian Empire. I'm repeating: Sasanians, Arabians, Mesopotamians, and the Egyptian Empire.
Ma'am, Sasanian.
No, beta.
Ma'am, Arabians.
Yes. है ना? At the end of the lesson हम पढ़ते हैं ना कि this all है ना, कि नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम अरेबियन एम्पायर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इट वाज टेकन अप बाय देम. ओके, then the next question is, Roman Empire in the west was fragmented by Goths, Lombards, Nandals, and all of these. Yes, anyone else? Yashvika is raising hand. What about others? बेटा, वैसे मैं आपको एक चीज बता रही हूँ. जब हम ना, जैसे अक्सर ये देखा गया है, जब हम ऑल ऑफ दीज लिखते हैं ना, बट नॉट ऑलवेज, है ना, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, है ना, तो ऑल ऑफ दीज वाला आंसर ही सही बैठता है. ठीक है, अगर आपको आंसर नहीं आ रहा है तो ऐसे में आप ऑल ऑफ दीज मार्क कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ओके. आपने देखा भी होगा, ये कई बार आपने भी चेक की होगी ये चीज. ठीक है, द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ दीज, राइट. Okay. Which Roman ruler was considered as the leading citizen? Yes, Riddhi. Riddhi, you are answering? Beta, anyone. Wrong answer. I am saying no problem. I am giving you the options. Listen them and answer any one of the option. At least you come up. Okay, Riddhi. Riddhi, audio is not working well. Okay, कोई problem नहीं है. But what about others?
Can I?
Who is asking?
I'm
Yashvika only?
Yashasvika.
Acha, Yashasvika. I am calling your names wrongly. Yashvika.
Yes.
It is Yashasvika. Very good. Yes, you answer then.
I'm Augustus.
देखिए बेटा, the same question we have asked, है ना, and she
Yes,
has
ma'am.
answered so nicely. अगर आप सुनोगे, मैं यही कह रही हूँ, at least you listen the things. जब मैंने आपसे short question answers पूछ रही थी, I has asked this question कि why Augustus was considered as a leading citizen. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन और आंसर दोनों सुना होता तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती कि yes, Augustus is the king. Children, please pay your attention in the class as well as we are when we are taking the revision. Okay, which of these was the main player of the political history of the Rome? The emperor, aristocracy, army, and all of these.
Ma'am, all of these.
Yes, Sanjana, right.
Ma'am, it's
You,
me.
you have guessed or you know the answer? The same question we have asked in the short question and answers also. Good, Sanjana.
Ma'am, it's
Huh?
me.
Yes, me?
Ma'am, I answered, not Sanjana.
I know, Sanjana, you have answered this question. I thought she is asking something. Okay, what is denarius? A gold coin, ruby stone, silver coin, a red diamond.
Has been
Ma'am,
Hmm?
a
ma'am, silver coin.
No.
Ma'am, a silver coin.
Yes, absolutely right. It is a silver coin. ठीक है, ये दो चीजें ही हमने पढ़ी हैं इस लेसन में, सिल्वर कॉइन और द गोल्ड कॉइन, है ना.
Gold coin.
Denarius is your silver coin, and what is the gold coin known as? We call gold coin as
Ma'am,
gold coin तो क्या?
solidus.
Yes, absolutely right. ठीक है, दो ही चीजें पढ़ी तो आप थोड़ा सा गैस भी कर सकते हो, है ना. तो दो ही कॉइन्स के बारे में पढ़ा है हमने इस लेसन में. सिल्वर, कि जब सिल्वर वर एग्जिस्टेड देन योर गोल्ड कॉइन्स वर मेड, राइट चिल्ड्रन. देन
दूसरी क्लास अभी है.
which Roman emperor reduced the expansion of the Roman Empire? Diocletian, Augustus, Alexander, or Gallienus?
Ma'am, may I?
Let me see others if they can. Yes, anyone else? Anyone from the boys? The girls are participating. What about the boys? But I am telling you, even if you give the wrong answer, no problem. Or at least come up with your answers. इसीलिए मैंने आपसे ये ऑप्शन वाले भी पूछे हैं कि चलो ये तो आप गैस करके कैसे ना कैसे करके आप बोलेंगे आंसर. यस, यशस्वी का.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, A.
like
Diocletian.
ए डाइक्लेटियन.
Yes.
Time comes. चलिए, now I'm asking the questions because you are not answering, so I'll come up to the short question answers again. What was amphorae and where
Your
were
voice
they
is not
made?
clear. There is disturbance.
Yes. Yes, no answer?
Ma'am, repeat the question. I was not able
Okay.
to.
There was some disturbance. What were amphorae and what were they made of? Oh, sorry, where were they made?
Ma'am, amphorae were the containers in which the wine and olive oil were transported.
Yes.
Where they made.
Yes, this is right. Good. They were made in Mediterranean region. ठीक है? Okay. What is meant by transhumance?
Ma'am,
what?
Transhumance.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
transhumance
the
is the Haderman's regular and annual movement between the higher mountain region and the lower lying ground in a search of pasture for their sheep or other flocks.
Why your face is not shown to me now? Yes, Neil. Yes, answer is very right.
very right.
Ma'am, I'm just switched on the button but not showing.
Chalo, no problem. It is the regular annual movement of the herdsmen in search of pastures for sheep and other flocks, ठीक है, is known as transhumance. Okay. Then the next question is, from where did the best kind of wine and wheat come to Rome? Yes, Neil.
Ma'am,
Disturbance are. Yes, Neil. I did not get the answer. Maybe some disturbance is there. Neil, you have
Ma'am,
answered?
ma'am, yes, ma'am, from Spain, mainly from Spain and North Africa, Egypt.
No, this is not the correct answer. Anyone else?
Ma'am, Sicily Pisicium.
Yes, absolutely right. The best kind of wine came to Rome from Campania and wheat from Sicily and Byzantium. ठीक है? what is meant by the slave breeding? Yes, children. Yes. Should I tell the answer now? Okay. In Rome, slave couples were encouraged to have more children. Okay, this is known as slave breeding.
Slave
Why they were
breeding.
encouraged to do so, children?
Ma'am, so
Ma'am,
they get
so that the wage
Because
labor, slave
automatically.
labor were declined at that time to
uh,
recover that problem.
no, and one thing is more that their children automatically become slaves when they grow up.
Automatically they
Okay,
will
they
become.
work for them like that. So that is why they encourage the couples to have more and more children so that they will have more and more slaves later on. Okay, write two ways with which Roman people controlled their workers. Yes, Shashwat. Are you asking anything, Shashwat? Yes, children.
Ma'am, the first way was by dividing them into squads.
Okay, that is how now for the supervision and control actually. We have in the initial part we have studied they were branded, so that they could be recognized if they run away from that place. Right? And one more was many private employees passed their agreements with them. Okay? So that they can have a tighter control over them. Until and unless they are free from this debt agreement, they are not allowed to leave their area. Okay? Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write and tell any two religious changes that took place in late antiquity in the Roman Empire. Religious
Ma'am,
changes. Ah, yes,
ma'am,
Yashvita.
the first change was that there was a official religion. Uh,
What?
Christianity was the
Yes.
official
Ah.
religion, and the
Who,
second
who
was,
imposed this? Which emperor imposed this?
ma'am, uh,
Constantine. Okay, no
Constantine.
problem.
Yes.
Ah. And next one, what was the another religious change? The late
Ma'am,
antiquity start from the 4th to 7th century.
7th century. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there was a rise of second religion also, the
Which
other
was that?
Judaism. Judaism.
No, it was
Islam.
already there. It was your Islam. In the 7th century, Islam started. Okay, can you tell me the reason why Emperor Diocletian reduced the expansion of the Roman Empire?
Ma'am, can I?
बेटा ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक दो बच्चों के अलावा क्लास में कोई प्रेजेंट ही नहीं है, हैं? Children, next time when we will have the revision, you have to prepare very nicely, है ना? Then only it is of some use. Otherwise, it is simply wastage of your time and our time. ठीक है बेटा? Be prepared while you are coming for the revisions. ठीक है? ये चीजें आपको जब आपका ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा कुछ होगा उसमें भी हेल्प करें, है ना? At that time you won't be feel burdened if you prepare these things regularly. Yes, yes, Shishpita.
Ma'am, please repeat the
Now
question.
you forget the question. Okay. Why did Emperor Diocletian reduce the expansion of Roman Empire?
Ma'am, because the Roman Empire was very vast and it was getting hard to control over the
Yes,
empire. So he cut off the territories which were less economically and strategically
they
important.
were of no value. Very good. Okay, tell me any four administrative reforms made by Diocletian.
Uh, Ma'am, he fortified the frontiers.
Yes,
First
good.
was that. He recognized the provincial territories also,
Mhm.
and he gave more autonomy to the army, military
Yes,
commanders.
good.
Ma'am, these are three, but fourth,
Okay,
I
fourth
could
one
not
I'm
remember.
telling. Very good. He separated the functions of civilian people
Civilian
and the
from
military,
army.
and from military, right? Then this we have already discussed what was solidus. Then next question is what is Christianization?
Ma'am, the process by which Christianity is
Uh,
spread among different parts of society.
yes, absolutely right. D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When the Christianity was made the official religion, and then they tried
Yes, ma'am.
that more and more people were converted into the Christianity, and this process is known as Christianization. Good. Yes, name the most important post-Roman kingdoms.
Ma'am, the most important kingdoms were of the east, which have more economic value at that time. Uh,
No, beta. These kingdoms were Visigoths in Spain, ठीक है? Kingdoms of Franks in Gaul, and Kingdom of Lombardy in
In
Italy.
Italy.
ठीक है? Okay. Okay. Which incident has been called the greatest political revolution ever to occur in the history of the ancient world? This is the last question, children. Okay? And after that, don't leave because I'm going to take your pick for your attendance. That you all are present. Okay? So don't leave. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please repeat the question again.
Okay. Which incident has been called the greatest political revolution ever to occur in the history of the ancient world? Okay, I'm telling the answer. The expansion of Islam from its beginning in Arabia. Okay, okay, children.
Yes.
But you have to read the pages of your next this lesson, fourth lesson we are doing now, from 81
Yes.
to 85. Okay, and also note down the notes in your notebooks. Okay, some of the notes I used to provide. With the help of those, if you want to add, you can add something to it. Okay, and you have to write even the terms. Take a 2 3 questions which I asked today was based your terms given in the book itself. Okay, okay, children. Wait till I take your attendance. अभी छोड़िएगा नहीं class till I ask you to leave.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, can you send the notes of chapter 3 again? I wanted to cross check some.
You can start ask any of your friends. If you are not able to get it from them, then I'll send it to you. Okay, I'm taking the
Okay,
pic
ma'am.
of your attendance. Right, children? So please be here. Okay, children. Okay, but have a good day. Okay, and keep studying regularly. Okay. Any problem? But and next time I want that you, all of you participate in the revisions, right? आपका जो लेसन 1 and 2 है उसका भी लेटर ऑन मैं शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस का रिवीजन लूंगी है ना ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन बिफोर योर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट right one by one I'll take that also. Okay children, bye, have a good day. Bye children. You may leave now.